Hi, my name is Liz Reale, and I teach 6th grade computer technology and 7th and 8th grade computer science at a middle school in Brooklyn. In today's session, I'm going to talk to you about how to manipulate data from responses to your Google Forms using conditional formatting. As you can see, here is an example of a Google form. Google Forms are great for creating all different kinds of surveys. You can create surveys for your staff to have them reflect on a PD that you recently gave, or to fill out information regarding a school event. It's also great to use for parents in order to have them sign up to participate or chaperone a school event, or even to schedule meetings with staff for parent-teacher conferences. Also, it's great to use in the classroom with your students to survey them about different ideas about what's happening at school, maybe particular spirit days, to have them create their own choose your own adventure, and also, and probably most commonly used for assessments. So this is an assessment that I did with my students regarding iMovie and citing images. So once we aggregated all of the data, we go to our responses, and from here we can click on our view responses in Sheets. And Sheets is really what we're going to primarily focus on today. So as you can see, I have all of my students. They're listed out by class, and that is a lot of data to go through. There's about 80 children who took this survey. Conditional formatting is a great way to arrange data visually in a very specific way that makes it easier to aggregate and analyze. This way you'd be able to spot trends most easily amongst all of your students. So the way conditional formatting works is you want to start by highlighting the column. Then you're going to go up to Format and choose Conditional Formatting. And what you're going to be able to do is set a specific rule for that given range. So I'm going to go and choose Text Contains for the first formatting rule. Now I know the correct answer is down arrow icon. So I'm going to make it that anyone who chose down arrow icon, their answer is going to be in green, and I'm going to bold it and click Done. What I can also do is add a second rule to that column as well, and change it so that if text does not contain down arrow icon, I'd be able to choose a different color, red, and maybe italicize it, and that way I'd be able to very quickly spot check which of my students got this correct and which of my students got this incorrect. So what's great about this is that when my students are now working independently, I can quickly go through and see who needs to have some one-on-one conference time with me to go over the correct answers. So conditional formatting is a great way to spot check and see how your students are doing. If you wanted to remove it, you just go up to Format and click Clear Formatting, and you can start over again.